Hello students, today we are going to start our chapter 6. The chapter name is Living and Non-Living Things. Children, in this chapter you will learn about living and non-living things and differences between living and non-living things. Okay, so let's start. Students, all of you take page number 59 in your science book. Okay. See this picture. Circle any 5 things you can see in the picture below. Okay. Sort them as living things or non-living things. So, what are the living and non-living things? So now children, we can see so many things around our place, right? So we see plants, animals, birds, and of course human beings, right? So these are all living things, okay? And some things that we can see, for example, bench, chair, your school bag, your pencil box, all these materials, these things are called as non-living things, okay? So they do not move, they do not breathe, do not grow, they do not reproduce. Okay, children, now let's see about living things move. Children, living things need food and shelter, right? So living things can move on their own, and animals move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Okay, then land animals walk and run using their legs from one place to another place. Okay, another one is birds and insects. Birds and insects also fly with the help of wings, and they can move one place to another place in search of food and shelter. And the next one is fish. A fish moves with the help of fins. A fish use their fins to swim. Children, in the same way, you can see the leaves. The leaves of the plant with the help of sunlight, air and water. So, they prepare their own food. They prepare their own food and store in their parts of the plants. Okay. So, plants to move we do not see. Plants moving from one place to another, like animals. But all plants show growth movements, isn't it? So plants have roots that move underground in search of food and water. Children, can you tell me whether plants move? No, plants does not move, right? But it shows growing movements. There is a plant which is called as mimosa. M-I-M-O-S-A, mimosa. So mimosa is called as touch me not plant. So the name of the plant is touch me not. You can see the Tamil, it is totta chinungi. They will say the right, that is the plant. When you touch, so closes it leaves, it shows some movements, right? So mimosa is a plant. When you touch, shows some movement. It shows some response. This plants also a living things. So children, when you go to a park, in the park you can see many living things, isn't it? For example, plants, animals, dogs, birds, and also you can see many human beings will be wandering around the park, right? The same way you can see many non-living things. The stone, the soil, the bench, the swing. So all these are all non-living things. Okay. They do not move on their own. They move only when someone moves them. Isn't it? So students, living things can move on their own, and non-living things they move only when someone moves them. Is it clear? So students, today you will read this lesson, page number 60. Okay, please go through this topic. Now we will continue the lesson in the next video. Thank you.